For our first breakdown, I have an all digital scenario with you'll pick up the Charmin Essentials 12 count, which is on sale for $4.95, a Gain liquid detergent, which is on sale for $3.95, a Gain softener, which is also $3.95, a Downy softener, which is on sale for $4.50, a Febreze plug warmer, which is regular priced at $3.25, and a Tide liquid, which is on sale this week for $4.95. Once you pick up all those items, your total will be $25.55, and then you will use the following coupons, which is the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, $1 off of one Charmin, $2 off of one Gain liquid, $2 off of one Gain softener, $1 off of one Downy softener, $3 off of one $3 off of one Febreze plug, and $2 off of one Tide liquid. Once all those digital coupons come off, you will pay $9.55 plus tax. Now with the digital coupons, once your cashier scans everything, you will put in your phone number and then you will pay. Option number 2 is similar to option number 1. With option number 2, you will grab the Gain liquid detergent for $3.95, the Gain softener for $3.95, a Tide liquid for $4.95, the Febreze plug warmer for $3.25, the Always Discreet liners for $3, and the Febreze Air Effects. You will grab 2 of those at $3 each. Then you will use the 5 off of 25 Saturday digital, the $2 off of one Gain liquid, $2 off of one Gain softener, $2 off of one Tide liquid, $3 off of one Febreze plug, $2 off of one Always Discreet, and $3 off for 2 Febreze products. Once you use those coupons, your total should come down to $6.10 plus tax out of pocket. What I did forget to mention with those transactions is that when you use the Gain digital, you have the option of getting either the liquid, the flings, or the washing powder, and as well as with the softener digital, you have the option of getting the softener, the fireworks, or the dryer sheets. For option number 3, you will grab the Huggy Snug and Dry at $8.50, a Huggy Wipes at $2, the Pampers at $10, and the Loves at $6.50. Your total will come to $27. You will use the 5 off of 25 Saturday digital, $2 off of one Huggies, 50 cents off of one Huggy Wipes, $1.50 off of Pampers, and $1 off of Loves. Your total will come to $17 plus tax out of pocket. Remember to grab the size of diapers that your baby need. You do not have to grab the size that I have pictured. For option number 4, you will pick up one Scott 24 double rolls at $10, one Scott paper towel at $5. The Sparkle and Quilted Northern is on sale 2 for $8. You will pick up one of each. The Sparkle is a 6 roll and the Quilted Northern is 4 mega rolls. And then you will pick up one Charmin at $4.95. Once you pick up those items, your total will come to $27.95. Then you will use the 5 off of 25 digital, the 3 off of 15 instant savings for the Scott, $1 off of one Scott, $1 off of one Scott paper towels, $1.25 off of Sparkle paper towels, 50 cents off of Quilted Northern, and $1 off of one Charmin. That would bring your total to $15.20 plus tax out of pocket for all of the paper product. For our last all digital option, you will pick up one Scott paper towel 6 rolls at $5, one Scott toilet paper 24 double rolls at $10, one Gain laundry detergent at $3.95, one Gain softener at $3.95, and one Tide liquid at $4.95. You will use the 5 off of 25 Saturday digital. The 3 off of 15 instant savings will come off of the Scott, $1 off of one Scott tissue, $1 off of one Scott paper towels, $2 off of one Gain liquid, $2 off of one Gain softener, and $2 off of one Tide liquid. Your total will come down to $11.85 plus tax. Screenshot whatever deal you feel is best for your budget and tag me in all of your couponing hauls on Instagram at all.things.key.